Hello and welcome to your new luxury home here in Fate, Texas, located in the #2 fastest growing county in the entire country, Rockwall County. If you're moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, Rockwall County should be very high up on your list of places to check out. It's located just 35 minutes directly east of downtown Dallas, and it's no mystery why people are flooding here. It's got very highly rated schools, housing options at every price point, including this beautiful luxury home we're touring today. It's got low property taxes, a nice big lake, and all the shops, restaurants, and amenities you'll find in any other large suburb, and again, it's only about 35 minutes to downtown Dallas. Rockwall is definitely one of my top picks when it comes to the most bang for your buck in the Dallas-Fort Worth market. This home you're touring right now is an enormous 4,300 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a study, media room, game room, multiple living areas, crazy tall ceilings, and tons of natural light. The base price for this floor plan starts at just $728,000 for 3,541 square feet. Though to build a giant, fully sized, fully decked out home like you see in this video, you would start at a base price of $823,000, and by the time you're finished, to get it looking this beautiful, you need to plan for a minimum of 10% in upgrades, so just over $900,000. But if you compare that to some of the other Dallas suburbs like Prosper or Frisco, $900,000 is very inexpensive for a 4,300 square foot home like this. And if you're ready to move quickly and don't want to have to wait to build, they've actually got one of this floor plan that was very nicely built available for quick move-in right now, and it's currently listed at $949,000. So if you like what you see and you're ready to go, call me today. As mentioned, Rockwall County has very low property taxes compared to other suburbs in the area, and in particular, this community, there is a small PID tax, but even with that, the overall tax rate is still only about 1.9%. Again, comparing to somewhere like Prosper, where it's not uncommon for tax rates to be above 2.3%. Also, these homes are built to be extremely energy efficient, so if you're coming from an older home, you can expect to save a ton of money on your energy bills. One of the neighbors here actually brought over their electric bill for one of these homes around this same huge size, and his entire electric bill in the hottest summer months here in Texas, where it's super hot, was less than $200. I'm telling you, these homes are extremely energy efficient. This community also has a nice resort style pool, a playground, pickleball courts, and if you want to see those, make sure you watch until the end. And if you'd love a home like this, but you actually want to be up near Frisco in Collin County, there is a brand new community that just opened up about a month ago where you can get this same low tax rate with the top rated Prosper ISD schools and a home around this size at a similar price. So if you'd rather be up in Collin County, make sure and watch this video next, and I'll tell you all about that community and take you on a tour of several of their model homes. If you like what you see here and you've got at least 9 months to build, call me today and let's get you started on your dream home. If you're brand new and just starting your home search here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I would recommend watching this video next, where I compare some different areas and communities based on your particular salary. It's a great video to get you started looking in the right direction. And of course, if you just like home tours, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And now I'll be quiet and let you enjoy the rest of this beautiful home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.